I'm Monster 1970, and today I am working on the 1984 Honda Shadow VT500C. I'm going to be installing these bolts into the left side case. In the last video I was installing them on the right side case. So I'm going to start putting these bolts in, hopefully get the gear shifter put in. That'll go right here, and then get the gear shift assembly together. So let's get started. Okay, these bolts are various lengths. This longest one goes up in here. Get that started. We have two that are the same length. See if they go here. Nope. These two are the same. I'm going to go over here. And I've got two other ones that are the same length. Let's see if this one fits in here. That seems too long. This one in here. And I've got one that goes here. See that? Right here. And we got one shorter one. I'm thinking the shorter one's going to go here. And then one here. And then one over here. And I've got two shorter ones, which will go, two smaller ones. One will go here, and the other one goes over here. Long one here, shorter one over here. Let me get my ratchet and I'll be right back. Let's take a 12mm socket. I'm going to go around and snug them up. And these two down here, take a 8mm. Let me get the torque specs on that. I'll be right back. Okay, the crankcase bolts, 6mm, are 8 to 12 Nm or 6 to 9 foot-pounds, so I'll make them 8. 8mm, 20 to 25 Nm or 14 to 18 foot-pounds. So I can probably get like 16 foot-pounds on the other ones. Okay, so set at 16 foot-pounds. Let's start here. Okay, that should be good. I think I got them all. And set the other ones to, what did I say? 8 foot-pounds. I'm going to tighten this bolt down here too. That's a 10mm. I'm going to tighten that down to 8 foot-pounds. I don't know what that was for. It's to hold something in place. Try to set it to 7. That's close. I'm going to torque this drain plug to 18 foot-pounds. And that takes a 17 millimeter socket. The shifter here is going to go through this hole and out the other side. And the seal over there, I'm going to put a little bit of oil on it. And slide it through there. So it should go like that. I'm not going to push it the whole way through yet, because I got to get the shifter drum or whatever that piece is on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They're all in there. Now I see a little pinhole, that little recessed hole right there, or that hole is going to line up with that pin that's sticking out. It's going to get lined up right. Like that. I'll go in there. And this piece, the washer, goes on here, or a spacer that'll go in there. This is going to be fun because this needs to go on there. Like so. There we go. So I need to find out what the torque is for this bolt here and for this bolt here. Okay, the torque specs for this bolt are, this is the shift drum cam plate. So that bolt is 8 to 12 Newton meters or 6 to 9 foot-pounds. So I'm going to tighten that to 8 foot-pounds. There we go. I'm going to torque this bolt to the same torque specs, 8 foot-pounds. There we go. We'll check this one. I'm going to be installing this bolt. This takes an 8 millimeter Allen. I don't know what I'm going to hold this with. I'm going to torque this bolt up to 18 foot-pounds. At least I hope. Doesn't seem quite tight enough. I'm going to take it up to 20. Yeah, let's try 20. That's 20 foot-pounds. Shouldn't be tighter than that. So I hope not. and to hold the output shaft with a pair of vice grips. Now I've got this bracket that goes on. Not that way. Looks like it goes that way. Three bolts to hold that on. Plus this piece that goes on there. And put a little oil on the shaft here, and then some oil on this. Slide that on. Find the bolts that go in there. Got one Phillips head bolt. Should be two bolts the same length that go in there. Should be these two bolts. Phillips screwdriver. And see if I can find the torque specs for them. I'm using this bit with a Phillips on it with a 1/4 inch socket, socket, and 1/4 inch drive ratchet. Snug this up. And snug these other two bolts up. And I'm going to torque them to, I think, 8 foot-pounds. Let's see if I can torque a small one to 8 foot-pounds. There we go. Now I'm going to install this. This will go up on here. This sprocket will go down here. There's no in or out on there. It's got to be that way. And then it looks like I didn't mark which side was out on this chain. It's marked there in. So that answers my question on that. Goes this way. Okay, this should go on there. Go. That'll drive the oil pump, and then this bolt will go in there. This takes a 5mm Allen or hex bit. This in place. I'm trying to be careful with this. This needs to be torqued to 8 foot-pounds. Okay, there we go. And I just had that rested up against one of the lobes on the oil pump. It seems to be pretty good. In the next video, I'm going to be working on the heads for this engine, so stay tuned for that. But that's it for now. We got the oil pump drive gear put in, or we got the oil pump chain put in, we got this retainer put in, and we got the shifter put in, and that bolt that holds the final drive assembly or whatever together, and the bolts on the other side of the case half. So that'll do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. And thanks for watching.